What's up guys, Sal here. So this might be the first time we are seeing an actual Galaxy S9 in the flesh and in the working condition, and it doesn't look all that different from what we have seen so far in the leaked renders. The reason that this leak can be deemed credible is that it comes straight out of Vietnam, and the US models of the Galaxy S9 that were listed by the FCC are made in Samsung's factory there. So these pictures are legit. It's in midnight black, which is one of the color options that the S9 and S9 Plus will be offered in. All in all, the device looks quite similar to the Galaxy S8, and that's not necessarily a bad thing, given that the S8 had one of the best designs of any Android smartphones on the market last year. But the only features that can tell the design apart from the S8 are the horizontal fingerprint scanner below the camera lens, as well as the slightly thinner bottom bezel. So you'll probably have to wait a couple of weeks after the launch before you can feel the phone in your own hands. But according to XDA developers, Samsung is going to let attendees at its Mobile World Congress presser visualize that part with the help of augmented reality. Someone tore down the Unpacked 2018 mobile app and discovered that hidden in the software is a feature that will let those at the event see the S9 in augmented reality by tapping their phones against their event badge. From there, they can switch between various colors to preview the appearance of Samsung's newest flagships from literally any angle. These 3D models reiterate previous reports that Samsung will offer a new lilac purple color options for the S9 at launch. We can also see that the speaker grill at the bottom now has a slice down in the middle. Apparently that has something to do with the AKG tuned stereo speakers. Anyways, Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus on February 25th, but it's still unclear whether the shipments will begin on March 8th or March 16th. I guess we'll find out in a matter of days. Subscribe for daily content like this, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.